What is a dream? Is it a fantasy? An illusion? A distraction that only disappoints? Or is a dream something more?
From breakfast on through all the day, at home among my friends I stay. But every night I go abroad, afar into the land of Nod. All by myself I have
My
to
mom
go,
believes in my
with none
dreams.
to tell me what to
She
do.
taught me not to let
All
go,
alone beside the streams and up.
because dreams are the most important things we have. A dream is a seed of the future. Some people don't believe in dreams. They've drowned their hearts in sickness. Now, when they see a dream, all they know how to do is ridicule or to try to crush it.
What are you doing? Really? Get out of my house. Go. Disgust me. If you want to stay here, look. And what?
I know.
Disgust me. You literally disgust me.
But not my mom. She protects my dreams. No matter what it costs her, no matter what it takes, my mom fights for my dreams, even when she doesn't know how, even when she's alone. My mom has been alone for a long time, longer than I can remember.
But every night I go abroad and fall into
She
the
doesn't
land
have
of
dreams
Nod.
of her own anymore.
All by myself I have to go, with none to tell me what to do. All alone beside the streams. and
I
up the
imagine
mountainsides.
when she was a little girl, she would dream just like me. But one day, I don't know why, she forgot how to dream.
The strangest things are there for me. Well, things to eat.
My mom still
and
fights
things
for
to
my
see.
dreams. She's always been there
And
for
many
me.
frightening sights abroad till morning in the land of Nod. Try as I like to find the way, I never can get back by day, nor can remember plain and clear the curious music that I hear. You sleepy? It's time to go to sleep.
I wish she could find dreams of her own once more. Now, things are changing for us. I see hope in my mom's eyes. She's not alone anymore. There are people who protect her, people who care for her, people who are fighting for her dreams. And now, she's learning to dream again.
Breakfast on through all the day, at home among my friends I stay. But every night I go abroad.
What is a
afar into
dream?
the land of
A
Nod.
fantasy? An
All by
illusion?
myself I have to go.
No. A dream is something more. It's a seed of the future, a seed of hope. Dreams are the most important things we have, and we can fight for dreams together.